Now, as in a plane, if we draw one horizontal line, other vertical line, perpendicular to each other, the horizontal one is known as x-axis and vertical one is known as y-axis. As the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is known as origin. This is origin. Question is that on the basis of the sign of ordinate and abscissa, if I use the correct order, abscissa and ordinate, because we always take x-axis first and y-axis second, we can classify that point lies in which quadrant. But there may be some position where we will say this point is not lying in any of the quadrant. How that situation actually comes and what is that property? Before it, I am asking you few questions where you will answer that these points are lying in which quadrant. Suppose if I say the point is 2, 7. Point 2, 7 lies in which quadrant? As I have specified that for first quadrant, the x and y both are positive. This one is the first quadrant. Here x is positive and y is also positive. Reason for this, because this first quadrant is the combination or the zone or the portion or the part of the plane which is made by positive x as well as positive y. Positive x and positive y, first quadrant. If I talk to you about second quadrant, here x is negative, y is positive. Reason being, this is the portion enclosed by what? Negative x and positive y. So the sign in order are negative comma positive. This is enclosed by negative x and negative y. So this is here negative and negative. X is negative, y is also negative. But this portion which is known as the fourth quadrant, it is the combination of positive x and negative y. So this is positive comma negative. This is negative comma negative, third quadrant. This is second quadrant where we are finding negative positive. So if I ask you that 2, 7 lies in which quadrant? 2 is what? Value of x. Value of x is known as abscissa. So for 2, 7, abscissa is what? 2 and ordinate is what? 7. Abscissa is 2, ordinate is 7. Both are positive. 2 is positive, 7 is positive. If abscissa is positive, ordinate is positive, so positive comma positive lies in the first quadrant. Now I ask you that where the point minus 10 comma minus 11 lies. Where this point lies? As x is negative, here x is negative, y is also negative. So what happens? It lies in the third quadrant, because third quadrant is made by negative and negative. Both the values of x and y are negative. Suppose I ask you a question where you will not be able to tell me that point lies in which quadrant. What is that question? Suppose if I say that 6, 0, this coordinate lies in which quadrant? Meaning by, in order to locate 6, 0, abscissa is what? Abscissa is positive 6. Ordinate is what? 0. It means that we have moved 6 steps in the positive direction of x-axis. But after that, neither we have gone up nor we have come down. Until or unless we will not come up or down, it is not necessary that point will go in any of the quadrant. So what? It means that we are still on x-axis. So 6, 0 is neither in the first quadrant nor in the fourth quadrant. This point lies on the x-axis. So what become the property of x-axis? If y is 0, point has to lies on x-axis. So 6, 0, this is the position. This lies where? Lies on x-axis. In case if I say where the point 0, minus 10 lies, in order to locate it, you just can see x-axis, y-axis. Okay, quadrants have been clear to you. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. 0, minus 10, meaning by we are not moving anywhere, neither in positive direction of x nor in the negative direction of x. After it, this is 0, 0 origin. So minus 10, 0, minus 10 means value of y is minus 10, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So this is the location of the point 0, minus 10. Again, as we have not moved on x-axis, so 0, 2 cannot go in fourth quadrant, cannot come in the third quadrant. It will lie on the y-axis. So it is not necessary that points will fall in first, second, third or fourth quadrant. If x is 0, point will lie on y-axis, and if y is 0, point will lie on the x-axis. So what become the property? So what about this? 0, minus 10, it lies on y-axis. This point lies on the y-axis. Suppose if I say that is 6, 5, both are positive, so it lies in the first quadrant. If I say that 7, minus 9, positive and negative, it lies in the fourth quadrant. If I say that is 8, 0, here what is 0? Y is 0, so it lies on x-axis. If I say 0, 3, here x is 0, so this lies on y-axis. So ultimately what is coming? That the point can be located in the how many positions? 7. What are these? Point can be in first quadrant, point can be in second quadrant, or it can be in third quadrant, or it can be in fourth quadrant, or it can lies on x-axis. It can lies on y-axis, and if it is 0, 0, it lies on the origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ultimately, what is the purpose? To tell you that coordinate is the combination of the set of values of x and y, that at how much distance from origin point lie is known as its position. As per symbol, as per sign, we can classify their quadrants. If x is 0, lies on y-axis. If y is 0, lies on x-axis. If both are 0, lies on the origin.